Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Hyderabad location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Associate for digital marketing for the organization Accenture. Job location is Hyderabad. You should have a knowledge of digital marketing, Google Ads. Designation is management level, new associate. Qualification is any graduation. Freshers are eligible and up to 1 year of experience also will be considered. You can browse the official website or drafts of the careers page of Accenture to apply for the job role, and you can also find if there are any other suitable openings for you. That is https://www.accenture.com in-en/careers. Next, there is a job openings for operations executive for HDB Financial Services. You can go through the job description details. There is a detailed information available, like you should coordinate with central operations team. You should prepare daily, monthly MIS reports. You should do customer KYC and secondary documents verification. You should ensure on-time payments of the customers. You should ensure adherence of policies at all levels. You should do thorough checking of all the files and ensure the data is complete and relevant. You should process and disbursement of files. You should check KYC documents. To apply for this job role, you have to browse the official careers web page of HDB Financial Services, that is https://www.hdbfs.com/careers. Next, there is a job vacancies for content writer for the organization Zenith Hub. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Roles and responsibilities, if you see, you should write clear copy to promote their products or services. You should do proofread and edit post before publication. You should submit work for the inputs and approval. You should conduct simple keyword research and use SEO guidelines to increase web traffic. You should promote content on social media. You should do research industry related topics, combining online sources, interviews and studies. You should identify customer needs and gaps in the content and recommend new topics. You should ensure all-round consistency, style, fonts, images and tone. You should update content as needed. And other requirements are, you should have excellent verbal and written communication skills. You should be able to grasp like English language. Excellent grasp of English language is required, and you should be confident in producing work across multiple platforms. You should be self-motivated and self-directed. You should have ability to work independently or as an active member of a team. You should be able to work in fast-paced environment. Freshers without experience also can apply. You can contact on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 9676439397. Next, there is a job vacancies for market researcher and telecalling associate for the organization 3D Forger Solutions. If you see the job summary, you should be able to handle market research responding to client requirements. You should do a client's phone call and follow-ups. You should make quotations and invoices and other responsibilities and duties. You should have a proven telesales or calling experience, preferably in 3D printing or rapid prototyping industry. You should have a aptitude for market research and identifying the potential clients. You should have a good, excellent communication skills and convincing power. You should have a knowledge of English, Hindi and Telugu languages. You should have a experience working with CRM. You should have a excellent verbal and written communication skills. You can contact on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 95818822. Next, there is job vacancies for content writer for the organization Yashoda Hospital located at Panjagutta, Hyderabad. If you see the essential job functions, duties and responsibilities, the position is responsible for developing creative concepts and solutions. You should collaborate in planning, executing campaigns that support Yashoda Group's goals. You should manage a large body of work in a fast-paced environment. You should develop concepts collaboratively with the design team. You should create new and revising existing copy for range of collateral, direct mail and advertising. You should maintain a high quality brand image on all communication elements. You should have a strong written communication skills and the ability to convey complex information simply. You should write and edit content for all the above the line and below the line activities. So to apply for this job, you have to browse the official career web page of Yashoda Hospitals, that is https://www.yashodahospitals.com/. Next, there is a job vacancy for graphic designer for our robotics apps. Salary offered minimum 25,000 to up to 35,000 based upon your skill set and experience. If you see the job requirements, you should have a strong written and verbal communication skills in English and experience in working directly with the international clients. Minimum 2 years of experience is required in visual design and video editing experience. You should design web pages, brochures, logos, signs, books, magazine covers, annual reports, and advertisements and other communication materials. You should be able to create these materials by hand or by using technology, including computer software programs. Adobe's Creative Suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and more, is the standard in this industry, and most employers expect designers to be proficient with its programs. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8074774168. Next, there is a job openings for content writer for the organization Inovis. Salary offered minimum 18,000 to up to 31,000 a month based upon your skill set and experience. Job location is Madhapur, Hyderabad. If we see the responsibilities, you should be able to write articles on big data, analytics, business intelligence, IoT, cloud computing. You should be able to write editorials or magazine interviews and contributing to reports. You should be able to track and report current developments in these areas. You should analyze information and present the same in clear and concise manner. You should conceptualize ideas to promote brand and content. You should do research key developments to identify opportunities and leads. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9347748326. Next, there is a job openings for creative graphic designer for the organization Saswar Dimension Software Solutions Private Limited. Job location is Hyderabad. Minimum 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and you should have a knowledge of After Effects and Premiere Pro. Interview will be in house. Roles and responsibilities are: you should produce creative deliverables including videos, graphics, templates, and layouts for use across social media, web, events, email campaigns, etc. And for client channel campaigns, digital media promotions, advertisements, and other mediums. You should maintain brand authenticity throughout all creative work. You should assist with the conceptual thinking, development, and execution of creative campaigns across all mediums. You should help create and maintain a library of digital creative assets for the team. You should have experience in video editing and motion graphics and creating video concepts. You should participate in scripting and ideation for photo or video creative. You should collaborate with clients and internal stockholders involved in website design and advertisements. So these are all the job roles and responsibilities. So you can go through it. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9346977819. Next, there is a job openings for graphic designer and video editor for the organization Clock Cube Solutions Private Limited. So you should be able to work on Adobe Photoshop and Corel Draw and Illustrator. You should have English and Telugu typing knowledge, and should have a knowledge of Hindi as well. You should be able to use any of the tools like Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw, and Illustrator, After Effects, and Adobe Premiere Pro. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 63013517. Next, there is a job openings for digital marketing executive for Code Campus. If you see the intern position, this is like should you have knowledge on digital marketing concepts. You should do off-page submissions like classifieds, directories, article sharing, and building natural backlinks, etc. You should collaborate with designers to improve user experience. You should able to work on different aspects of digital marketing such as search engine optimization, Google Ads, social media marketing, YouTube marketing, etc. You should assist in the formulation of strategies to build a digital connection with customers. You should plan and monitor the ongoing company presence on social media, Twitter, Facebook, etc. You should be able to measure performance of digital marketing efforts using a variety of web analytics tools, and that is Google Analytics example. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7670900785.
So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.